Okay, guys, so basically, this is the last episode of Julia Child or Julia in June. This is her last recipe that we chose for the show. It's called chicken a l'orange. Sounds interesting, right? So, we're going to make it like her recipe says, and we're going to see how it turns out. Seems very simple. This is probably like the spaghetti Marco Polo, which was kind of easy. This one's kind of easy too. So you may want to try this. I don't know. Recipe will be down below if you need, okay? Now, the month of August, we asked you, and you guys gave me feedback on social media. We said, what is your number one comfort food? You guys unloaded. You guys have lots of comfort food. So usually comfort food starts in the fall. That's September, okay? But I chose to do them in August so you can decide to do which one you want in September. A lot of people are like, why are you doing comfort food during the hottest month? Those videos will be around forever. They're not going to be just in the hottest month. We're going to do them all in August. You're going to go, okay, I like that one. I don't like that one. He screwed that one up. I like that one. I like that one. And then you could choose to do them when football season starts or when you have the family over or whatever, when it starts to cool down, okay? Right now we're raging hot. But we're going to do comfort food in August, okay? All month long. So I think that's like 9 episodes of comfort food. So we're going to show you a lot of comfort food. If you don't know how to make a lot of these, I'll have all the recipes for you. We'll see if they're worth doing or not. I'll let you know if it turns out bad or not. We try not to pick bad recipes. We try and pick recipes that look good or sound good. Sometimes I'll be able to just put it together myself, like a spaghetti. If it's a spaghetti, which we're not doing, I can do my own spaghetti sauce. That's easy. So anyway, let's get you in close. Chicken a l'orange is today's recipe. It's the last Julia Child video we're doing in Julia in June, okay? And I'm kind of excited about it. And it's been a good month. She's given us a little bit of a challenge on the show, which is nice. It's always nice to stretch yourself and reach further. So anyway, that's it. Come on in close. Let me show you the ingredients. Okay, star of the show, chicken. We're doing 4 thighs and 4 legs in this dish. All right. A little olive oil, white wine vinegar, fresh rosemary, orange marmalade. That's where we're going to get our orange flavoring from. And shallots, plus you're going to need some salt and pepper just to enhance the dish, okay? So let's get started. Get yourself a, preheat your oven to 400 and get yourself a baking dish. I'm going to use my silicone mat, but you can use parchment paper, aluminum foil, silicone mat. Just cover the cookie sheet so you don't have to scrub too hard when you're done, okay? And then meet me back here and we'll get started. All right, guys, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take our shallots. First of all, remember, you're preheating your oven at 400 right now, okay? You'll be using that in a minute. Get all your shallots. Oops. If you see any skin, get that out of there. Don't want any skin. Take a little bit of olive oil. There we go. And a little bit of salt. Don't want too much. There we go. Just a little bit. A little bit of pepper. There we go. If it's too much pepper, it's like garlic or shallots. And then you're going to kind of take your hand in here and toss it around. So the seasoning and the oil gets all over everything. Okay, guys, so I got the measurements down below. I'm probably going to make, well, it looks like a lot of chicken, but the recipe only asks for a little bit of marmalade. Take the oil. A little bit of olive oil in there. Boy, it's kind of, I just bought this bottle, so it's coming out kind of slow. A little bit of oil. There we go. And then take the vinegar, dump that in. Take your rosemary, dump that in. There we go, get it all whisked in. It kind of looks like that. I think I'm going to coat my thighs first, make sure I have enough. If not, I'll make another batch of this marmalade stuff. Get all our chicken in there. See if we got everything. Okay, so we're going to take our shallots onto our cookie sheet that is lined already. Dump those in there. I'm going to lay them out. Just spread them around because you're going to want them to get roasted real nice. You're going to bring your chicken in and lay that on here too. There we go. All right, there you go. And we're going to throw this in the oven, 400 degrees. I think we're baking for, the directions are down below. I think it's 20 minutes. Make sure, and then you're going to flip it and do another 20 to 30 minutes. Okay? But make sure it's at 165. Get your meat thermometer. Make sure the chicken's all at 165 and you're good to go. So let's get this in right now and check out chicken a l'orange. Get a good look at that. They're all in the 170s, 174, 175. They're perfect. All right, got to be honest with you. Smelled so good. I mixed another batch of the marinade or coating or whatever. Mixed that up, threw the rest of the chicken that I bought in there. Got it in the oven right now, roasting. Good job. Let's try the shallot first. If you don't know what a shallot is, it looks like an onion. It's a cross, I think they crossbred an onion with garlic. I think, unless I'm wrong. Ain't my first time. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think a shallot is kind of like an onion garlic. So let's give it a try. Sweet. Nice job. Wow. Little salt, little pepper. Beautiful. All right, now let's give this a try. It's got an amazing flavor. No doubt about it. I would have made it heavier by marinating overnight. I literally left it in the mix and coated it, and that's what it says to do. Me, I would have put it in a Ziploc and left it in that marinade or coating or whatever overnight. Because it really, I want more of it. I want more flavor. More of that mix. It was good. All right. I just tried a second bite. I'm wrong. Again. So anyway, the second bite had a lot more orange flavor in the meat. So it does penetrate fast. I still give it another extra hour of marinating. But if you don't want to wait, coat it up, throw it in the oven, and have at it. Definitely great chicken a l'orange.